I want to make very clear that no active duty military units engaged protesters or otherwise took direct part in civilian law enforcement or federal protection missions in the District of Columbia or anywhere else in the country. And with regard to the role the National Guard played in Lafayette Park on June 1, I also want to make clear the following: that the Guard did not advance on the crowd, that the Guard did not shoot rubber bullets, that the Guard did not employ chemical agents of any type. Rather, the Guard remained in a static role as backup to law enforcement if needed.
Since the protests began, I sought information to help me assess the ability of federal, state, and local authorities to handle situations under their responsibility. And I met and spoke with National Guard leadership and troops often, Army and DoD leadership, Department of Justice, and others, along with governors and D.C. officials. I continually assessed and advised that it was not necessary to employ active duty troops in response to the civil unrest occurring in our nation. It was my view then, and it remains so now, that local, state, and federal police, backed up by the National Guard under governor control, could and continually can effectively handle the security situation in every case across the country. However, I recommended to the Secretary of Defense, and he ordered about 1,700 active duty troops to an increased alert posture in the vicinity of Washington, D.C., but none of them were ever used, and there was never an active duty troop used in any location anywhere in the United States.